again everybody, welcome back. So this time we have an Orion half euro cylinder. So it's German, it's 5-pin this one, and there's the bitting on the key, not too bad. Nice original key. So I did pick this one quite a while ago when I first got it, but as I usually do, but I thought this time we'll give it a try this way up and see how it goes. So let's get the tension wrench in there, and start at the front and work our way back. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is binding, using fairly heavy tension to start with. Right, very nice click out of 5 and a very slight movement. I felt it more through the actuator than. Right, 1 is springy, 2's binding, no click, but it seems to have set in position. 3, no, 4, no, 1, 2, 3, tiny little click on 3. Gonna get anything out of 4. There we click on 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Just wondering whether my 2 is actually overset. Let's see if we can. Right, get tension back on again. Right, 2's up and springy, 3 springy, 4 springy, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the only one I've got binding. 1, right, 2's binding again now. Right, that time we got a proper click out of 2. Nothing on 3. Or 4. Right, 1's now binding. Oh, there we go. So not too bad. Let's get this out of here. Get the pinning tray and let's see what this has actually got inside. I didn't actually feel much in there, but you never know. So what have we got on here? We have a clip there. Let's get the pliers. There's that one off. Nearly. Oh, where's the other tool? Lost it. There it is. There we go. Now there's another one on there. But the core's coming out, so we're the right way round for that. Get the pinning shoe on there. And pull the core out. And there we go, 5 in there. Standard, 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 and standard, and all quite mucky. That's all. As it should be, nothing unusual going on there. Right, can we get that out? No. Let's go with this. It's probably easier doing it this way than it is to try and get that clip off the back. Right then. There's number 1 standard. 2 standard. 3 standard. 4 standard. So what's the odds on 5 standard? So there we go. Some springs. Let's get those out. This looks like it needs a clean before it goes back together. So anyway, don't really need to show you all that too much, but it is all just standard pins, very grubby. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.